In this video, we will see how to perform migration and Hilbert transform. Migration transforms a GPR image to a form more easily interpretable by collapsing the hyperbolic responses of targets to point reflections and placing them in their correct spatial location. This filter requires a good estimate of the velocity, or dielectric of a medium, which if known can be set in the set velocity section or obtained via hyperbola fitting using the set velocity tool. To perform migration, go to the Process tab and under Processing, click on the plus symbol. From the list, select Migration. Here, you can choose the window width of the traces used and also an optional gain since migrated images tend to be weak in amplitude, and click on the Apply button. To visualize the migrated data, select Migration from the list at the bottom of a B-scan. Now you can see the data before migration on the top window and after migration on the bottom, where the hyperbolas have collapsed. After migration, commonly Hilbert transform is applied, which computes the envelope of a signal. To perform Hilbert transform, select this from the list of filters and click Apply. This filter does not have any parameters to edit. We can visualize the migrated data on the top and the Hilbert transform at the bottom window. Since these two filters are commonly applied together, GPR Insights includes a combined M and H filter.